Hello students, this is my fourth video for the nomenclature of the organic compounds or the nomenclature of the alkanes. Alkenes, hydrocarbons, alkane, alkene, alkynes. Today I will tell you about the nomenclature of the alkenes. So as you know, the name of the alkene here, when you L is separated with E, then L plus E. L is the root name and E. If you found a double bond in between the carbon chain, one single bond, then the L will be suffixed with E, then the name of the hydrocarbon will be alkene. So you will found one single bond. Then it is monoalkene. If you found two, then the dialkene, and the three, then trialkynes. So I am telling you about the monoalkenes. So as you know, the general formula of the alkene is CnH2n. CnH2n. This is the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are the compound which are formed of only hydrogen and carbon. So here only two types of elements are here. One is carbon and again is hydrogen. When carbon, the number of hydrogen atoms will be double of the number of carbon atoms. So if you put the number as carbon, one carbon, then the formula will be CH2, and CH2 has no existence. So CH2 will be one carbon atom can't form alkene, because to make a double bond at least two carbon is needed. So here when carbon 2, the hydrogen will be 4, the structure will be CH2, CH2. When carbon is 3, so the name of this C3H6 molecule formula is propene. The name, this is ethene, this is propene, and CH3 CH double bond CH2. In the same case C4, this is CH3 CH2 CH, it is butene. It is butene. Butene. But here you should understand one thing, that this I have written this double bond from this end. So here you will write CH3 CH double bond CH single bond CH2. This CH3. This double bond, the place of this double bond can be changed. From if you write this double bond from the starting from this end, so here it will be called as one. You have to show the location of this double bond. So start the one carbon, and here it is 2 carbon, 3 carbon, and 4 carbon. The name of this butene will be 1 butene. The name of this butene will be 1 butene. So here, if you write this double bond from here is this place, then you will count 1, 2, 3, and 4. The name of this compound will be 2-butene. 2-butene. So in this alkenes, you have to show the location of double bond. And when you start the numbering the longest chain, then the double bond must be giving the least number to nominate the alkenes. So here the butene, the 1 butene can be written as, you can write but 1-ene. The name of the butene can be written in two ways. 1 butene, the 1 butene, and but 1-ene. So in this way, the 2 butene can be written in but 2-ene. But 2-ene. So this is the name of butene. So there are two types of butene, one butene and two butene. The third one is pentene. It is pentene. There it is pentene. So I have written the structure of CS2. So I am writing the pentene here. How will you write the different structure of pentene? Suppose you have written the 5 carbons in this way: CS3, CS2, CS2, CH, double bond, CS2. You can write this double bond, you can change the place of the double bond, CS2, CH, double bond, CH and CH3. CH. You can again write this double bond here, CS3, CH, double bond CH, CS2, CH3. So, how will you name this structure? So, first of all, you find the longest chain of the 5 carbon. Then this double bond is here, so it is alkene. So you will start the numbering to the longest chain. So we will start taking the priority that this double bond should be given list number. So you will start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this case 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. Then you start from here 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So this is one pentene. You can write this formula is 1 pentene, or you can write is pent 1 in two ways. You can write the name of this one pentene or pentone, both are equal. And here the name of this compound will be 2-pentene and pen 2-ene. Now decide the name of this compound. So when you start the numbering of the longest chain, you can write from here. So here in this case it will be the name of 3-pentene. 3-pentene. The name of this compound will be 3-pentene. If you start the numbering from this end, so 3, 4 and 5. So it will be the name of this compound will be 2-pentene. So which name is correct? So as I told you, this double bond should be given the list number when you are numbering the longest carbon chain. So you start if you start from this end, the number of this double bond will become 2, and when you start from this end, the carbon 3. So it shows the 3-pentene and it shows the 2-pentene. So 2-pentene is correct and 3-pentene is wrong. So you should be careful about when you give the number to the longest carbon chain. Then the double bond should be given the list number. Now I am telling you, taking some examples of giving you some structures. Then how will you write the name of different alkenes? These alkenes also have. Suppose I write here. So here CH2, CH, CS3. These all can CS3 and CH double bond, CH, C double bond, CH2. C double bond, CH2. If you want to write this name, first of all, what will you do? That first will you select the longest chain. First work, as I told you in the alkenes, then first you should select the longest chain. So you find here this is the longest chain. So and then considering to give the list number to this double bond, you will start numbering from this and this 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So it is the that is for butene. Not only butene, but one butene. And there are three substrate groups. So the name of this compound will be 2,3,3 trimethyl. 2,3,3 because the third carbon has two methyl groups, so we write in this way 3, 3 trimethyl and rest the parent compound, the name of parent compound will be 1-butene. 1-butene, the name of the one compound. So the name of this compound will be 2,3,3 trimethyl 1-butene. And now I will give you some more structures. Then how then I tell you how will you write the name of different structure. So here are 4 structures. Then I will tell you how will you write the name of these 4 structures. Suppose here you have given this structure to write the correct name of this compound. So first of all, you should start to the selection of the longest chain. Here you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon in this longest chain. But when you found a double bond in the compound, so the double bond must be included to select the longest chain. So you can't count this longest chain. Here, this double bond should be included in the longest chain. So 1, 2, 3. This will be the longest chain. This will be the longest chain. Or it will be. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is also 1, 2, 3, 4. So longest chain the double bond must be included in the longest chain. Without including the double bond, you can't select the longest chain. So now give the number. Again I am giving you the priority should be given to double bond, that the double bond must be given the least number in the longest chain. So when you start the numbering of this longest chain, you will give this carbon will be 1, and this will be 2. This will be carbon, and the third this will be 3, and this will be 4. So here the name of this compound here, this group is attached with the second carbon. So the name of this group will be ethyl, and on which carbon it is attached. So it is attached to the second carbon. You will write the name of this compound 2-ethyl. 2-ethyl and butene. 2-ethyl, 2-ethyl, 1-butene. 2-ethyl, 1-butene. It is the name of the parent compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 1-butene, and 1-butene contains 1 ethyl group on the second carbon. So the name of this compound will be 2-ethyl 1-butene. Let's come to the second structure. It is the structure again. So here this double bond will be included in the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 2 longest chain having the same carbon atom, including the same number of carbon atom, including the double bond. When we include the double bond in this chain, here. So all the 5 there are 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, if I say this is the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 2 longest chains having the same number of carbon atom. So which one the longest chain you will select? You will select that longest chain that has the maximum number of substrate group. This longest chain have no substrate group, and this chain has 1, 2 substrate group. So in the last you will select this. This is the longest chain. This is the longest chain. Then count it. So here you will give the number to award the list number to the double bond. This carbon will be given 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. The name of the parent compound will be 1-pentene. The name of the compound will be 1-pentene, or you can write in this way, pent-1-ene. Again, pent-1-ene. You can write in this, or 1-pentene. This can also be 1-pentene. 1-pentene. So here, this pentene. Again, this 1-pentene has 1, 2, and 3. This is also a substrate group. This is also you can't ignore this substrate group. So there are 3 substrate groups to write before the 1-pentene. How will you write 2,2-methyl? This will start with M, and this will start with the name of this will be propyl. Prop. So M will come. We will write this name. There are 2 substrate groups. One is 2,2-methyl and one is propyl. Propyl which start from the P. So here again you have to careful to write the substrate group, name of substrate group in alphabetical order. You write in the alphabetic, which comes first in alphabetical order? Methyl. This is methyl N and P. So here is the name of this compound will be 3, 4. So here you will write 3, 4 dimethyl and 1, 2 propyl and 2 propyl pent-1-ene. So the name of this compound will be 2, 3, 4 dimethyl, 3, 4 dimethyl, and 2 propyl, 2 propyl pentene, 1 or 1-pentene. So come to the third name. Here, this is the third. How will you write the name of this compound? So here are where is double bond? Here it is double bond. So include this double bond to select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the longest chain will be of this 6 carbons. This will be the longest chain of the carbon. This is the chain. So when you start numbering, you will give the list number to this double bond. So the numbering will be started from this end, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. The parent name of this compound is hex, and there is a double bond, so it is hexene. And which hexene? It is 2-hexene. It is 2-hexene. So the name of the parent compound, write the name of the parent compound, 2-hexene. 2-hexene. The name of the parent compound is 2-hexene. Or you can write here hex-2-ene. Hex-2-ene. The name of the parent compound is hex-2-ene or 2-hexene. But here you will see that there are two substituent groups, 1 and 2. One is methyl and each is ethyl. Which one comes first in the alphabetical order? Ethyl comes first. So you will write here ethyl, the number of carbon 3 ethyl, because it is attached with the third carbon. So here you will write here the name of this compound 3 ethyl and 5 methyl. 5 methyl. So here you will write the name of it 5 methyl and hexene, 2-hexene or hex-2-ene. So it can be written as hex-2-ene. So the name of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carbon in the longest chain. So the hex is suffixed with the double to show the double bond. To show the double bond, hex will be suffixed with ene. So the name of the parent compound with hexene. So where is it? And again, show the location on the second carbon. So you write here 2-hexene. It is the name of the parent compound. Again, listen to me. There are 6 carbon in the longest chain, including the double bond. You found the 6 carbon in the longest chain. So the alk will be hex. Right? When there is a double bond, to show the double bond, which suffix is suffixed with the alk or the parent name, root name, the ene will be suffixed with the hex. So the parent name of the compound will be hex plus ene, hexene. Now you have to show the location of the double bond. So the double bond is located on the second carbon. So it will be the 2-hexene or hex-2-ene. Hex-2-ene or 2-hexene. Now there are 2 substance groups on this chain. So here one is methyl and one is ethyl, who comes first in the alphabetical order. This start with E and this start with M. So ethyl will come first. So ethyl is attached to the carbon 3. So it will be the name of the ethyl, 3-ethyl, and the 2-hexene or hexene-2-ene. So this structure, the name of this structure will be this. So now write the name of this structure. How will you write the name of the structure? First, what will you do? To select the longest chain, including the double bond. Including the double bond. So where is double bond? This is double bond. This is double. To include this double bond, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is hexene. And again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the this chain has 7 carbon. This is the longest chain because it has 7 carbon. 7 C are there. And this chain, the longest chain has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 6. So the alk will be hept. So the alk will be hept, H-E-P-T, hept. And to show the double bond, which suffix will be suffixed with L, hat, E, and then the show the position, we will start the numbering. From where you will start the numbering of this in this chain? If you will start from this, the number, the number will be given to the double bond will be 2. So start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is 2 heptene. So it is hep to ene. It is hep to ene or hep 2 heptene. 2 heptene. It is 2 heptene. So the parent name of the parent compound is 2 heptene. Now there are how many substance group are there? See, one is ethyl, methyl, and one is sorry. Then it is right here 3 please. So here 2 methyl groups. So here 6 dimethyl and 4 ethyl. So the name of the compound will be 4 ethyl, 6 and 6. 6 and 6 dimethyl, and heptene or 2-ene. This will be the name of this compound. 4 ethyl, 6 dimethyl, hep2ene or so in this way, if you find any structure of the alkene, you can write the name. I will give you some name of the alkenes or alkanes. You have to write the structure of them. If you find any correction in them, then correct the name of them, those alkenes or alkanes. So these are the compounds, and write the structure and correct the name of the following compounds. So these are the compounds. I have given you some compounds. So you have to write the structure of these 6 compounds and then correct the name of these compounds if you can. If you think that the name is right, then write the name. So in my next video, in my coming video, I will tell you the name and the correction which is necessary to be made in this in these compounds. You will find in my next video. So please watch my video, and I will tell you the name of different compounds. So and subscribe it, and please write this structure with your pen in your copy as much as practice you will do. You will get the perfectness in the IUP nomenclature. So this whole structure, please don't read it, but write with your pen in your copy. Do